Hello everyone, welcome back to Mima Tech. If you have a Windows laptop battery that does not seem to last as long as it used to, don't worry. In this tutorial, I have prepared for you a way you can check on your battery health and performance with just a few steps. Let's jump right in and I demonstrate to you how you can check for the health of your battery. So we just come to the desktop. We right click, then open in terminal. We are now opening CMD. Once CMD opens, let me zoom in a little bit. We type in the command powercfg/battery report. Then click on enter. As you can see on the path, it has generated us a report in C users Mima desktop battery report.html. So the report they are talking about is here. So we open up this file and have a view on the report. So I'll zoom in a little bit again. So the battery report starts with some information about your computer, the computer name, the BIOS type, the Windows build. But for now, we are going to navigate to installed batteries, to the section of installed batteries. Then check on the number of batteries that are installed. So far, I've installed one battery. Its name is that. The manufacturer is that. It has a serial number. Design capacity demonstrates the amount of charge the battery was designed to hold. And for my case, the battery is a 60 watt hour battery. And the full charge capacity demonstrates what you can actually hold on your laptop. So whenever you have a design capacity, for example, you have 41,000, the full charge capacity determines how much the battery can hold at that particular time. And for my case, the design capacity was 59,994, and currently it can hold a charge of 47,257, meaning I have lost some of the watts that the battery can hold, but at this stage it's still good. My battery can last about 5 hours of use on a single charge. This report has more information below, but I'll scroll till I get to capacity history. Battery capacity history gives details of how your laptop has been charging over time, and for my case it has generated for 3 days, as you can see, 4th, 5th and 6th, and the design capacity is the same, and the full charge capacity is also still the same, which means between these dates my battery hasn't yet again deteriorated from the 47,000 that it can hold at the time. That's all I had for this video. Please consider subscribing and turn on the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload new content. Thank you for watching.